many homes that are in danger.
Everyone else get back away. I'll make you get out of here, all right?
Terrace burned to the ground.
Fast-moving Pacific Palisades fire. It has burned about 3,000 acres. We can tell you that it's burned more than that. That 2921 acreage number that has been on the books for a few hours now. We're waiting for new numbers from CAL FIRE. Thousands of people have evacuated. The fire is fueled by strong Santa Ana winds.
By mid-afternoon, it had grown rapidly, threatening over 13,000 structures, including more than 10,000 homes. Containment is at 0%. Mandatory evacuations cover much of the area, with nearby Malibu now issuing warnings as well.
Firefighters began using those air tankers and helicopters to battle the flames, but both are grounded tonight because of the wind. Evacuation routes, they were jammed. How many more horses do you have?
We have a couple we just let loose over there. We're trying to get as many as we can out.
There's 12, yeah, no, they're pretty wired up. When the wind's blowing and the embers are, I don't really know what to do.
Residents abandoning cars. I know we have some images of that. Palisades Charter High School has been hit hard. Its fields, its
Fire started this morning near Piedra Morada and Monte Hermosa drives. Officials warn worsening winds overnight could spread the fire further. Smoke advisories are in effect. Residents are urged to stay indoors.
Just be okay. You're gonna be okay. Hi. You're gonna be okay.